Please sit upright on your chair and become aware of the present moment. If you'd like to, gently close your eyes and draw attention to your breathing. Become aware of the movement of your breath as it flows into your body and as it leaves your body. Breathe naturally. Do not force yourself into any set pace or rhythm. Whatever the nature of your breath, accept it. Maybe you can feel the breath deep down in your belly. Maybe you can feel it in your nose. All that counts is being totally here in each moment, with each breath. One breath in, right here, right now. Just one breath after another. You will find that from time to time, your mind will wander off into sounds, emotions, or thoughts. If this happens, just acknowledge their presence. Let them be, let them pass, and gently return to your breath. Just be here, breathe. Whatever feelings and sensations surface in this moment, try not to judge them or react to them. Just be fully aware of whatever you're experiencing. Moment to moment, be fully present, being fully with your breath. And now, as the meditation comes to an end, gently open your eyes if they are closed and reunite yourself with the outside world.